Seniors, have you ever wondered why you feel weaker or less steady on your feet, even though you try to eat healthy and stay active? This isn't just aging. It could be a sign your body is losing muscle faster than you think, and it happens quietly, until simple things like standing up, walking, or climbing stairs start feeling harder than before. And if your breakfast is missing the right nutrients, your muscles don't recover properly. Instead of rebuilding, they slowly weaken day by day. That's why in today's video, you'll discover 3 powerful foods you should start eating every morning to support muscle strength and stability. Before we begin, drop your age and where you're watching from in the comments. It's always great hearing from you. Now let's dive in. 1. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with high-quality protein and key amino acids that help trigger muscle repair, especially after 60. After a full night of fasting, your muscles are begging for this kind of fuel. How to eat it? Have a bowl of plain, full-fat Greek yogurt with a handful of berries, plus almonds or walnuts on top. You can also add a spoon of chia seeds for an extra boost. 2. Chicken. Chicken might not be a typical breakfast food, but it's incredibly powerful for maintaining muscle strength. It provides a dense source of complete protein your body can use to rebuild and stay strong. How to eat it? Add shredded or grilled chicken to your omelet, or pair it with eggs for a simple, high-protein breakfast. 3. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds may be small, but they're loaded with healthy fats, protein, and minerals that support muscle recovery and reduce inflammation, especially in seniors. How to eat them? Sprinkle them over yogurt, mix them into oatmeal, or simply eat a small handful on the side. If this helped you understand what's really going on with your strength, make sure to like the video and subscribe.